John from Friendswood has a question about foundation problems.
They have been repaired in the past, which to me, if you have a problem that's been repaired and you have the problem, has it been repaired? This is one of these paradox questions.
Yeah.
John writes, I have many perimeter piers and have had them adjusted several times in the last decade. I pay about $5,000 each time they come out. I want a more permanent solution, he says, Tom, instead of paying the same repair over and over and over again. I've heard about spray foam foundation repair and I was wondering what you think.
The foams, we've got a great sponsor that does the foams, but that's all done for flat work.
That's Concrete Raising Corporation.
Oh, I'm sorry. Yes, Concrete Raising Corporation. But they do flat work and pool surrounds and driveways, that kind of thing. You usually don't do it under a house. The problem... First off, for those of you who are watching this and saying, I don't want that happening to me, you want to deal with a company that gives you a lifetime transferable warranty like Due West. So if it does have to get readjusted, you're not paying $5,000 every time. So that's kind of putting you behind a hard spot. And if you hire someone to redo the whole thing, they are going to have to eliminate all the work that was done because they're not going to rely on the old work. They're going to put in their new work. So that's going to be super expensive. So as far as that goes, the only thing I can tell you, and I don't know why it's happening, is watch your moisture content on the house. Make sure you don't have any underground plumbing problems that have maybe a broken drain line that's causing a lot of fluctuation in there. And besides that, I'm not sure what else to tell you unless you just want to bite the bullet and just have those all undone and go with someone like Due West that can do it once and do it well.
So you're saying maybe bring a plumber in to do a hydrostatic test?
I would, because if it's moving around that much and you've got moisture issues, I would eliminate all of those things. Yard drainage, you have plumbing problems under the house. You've got to watch how, if it's a watering system you need just to keep it moist because you don't have a sprinkler system you use around your house in the summer. You got a lot of different issues.
Right. And the biggest issue here, and it's kind of the, what have we learned today, kids, is that when you pick a foundation company, you are picking a partner for life of that house.
You really are.
And so you got to be careful who you choose and make sure that, like Tom says, lifetime warranty, that when they come back, they're not going to be, you're not going to become a residual revenue stream for them.
A return customer. You don't want that. That's one place it's not good.
You want a foundation company with no return customers. That's what you want. All right. But we want your questions to keep returning to us. So visit HomeShowRadio.com, fill out that Ask Tom form. We'll answer it in these videos like we have these ones over here. And we'd love it if you'd subscribe to our channel. We'll tell you when we post new ones.